Guys, ready na kaayo ang room. Pero dili di ay daw pwede diri. Kining mag-plastic.
Baba na rin.
Nag-video-video pa doon.
Let's start our day with a prayer to the land by your classmate Reza. Everybody, please stand. Good afternoon, teacher! How are you all feeling today? We're fine! Wow, I'm happy to hear that you are all feeling fine in today's class. Now, this time, before you take your seats, kindly arrange your chairs properly and pick up the pieces of papers that you can see on the floor and throw it in our garbage can. Are you done? Yes! Okay, you can now settle down. Alright, now this time class, I want you to look to your right and to your left. Do you have any classmates that is not around today? None, teacher! Wow, I want you to clap your hands. Kid named Nico. Again, what is the name of the kid? Nico! Very good. The name is Nico. So I'll be sharing to you a story and you need to listen carefully because later on I will be asking questions. Is that clear?
Yes,
teacher! So let's start and let us meet Nico. So, Nico came home from playing outside. Can you see it well? Yes! Okay. Nico came home from playing outside. He got hungry, so he ate a banana without washing his hands. He didn't wash his hands because he was too hungry. That night, he cried because his stomach ached. And that's the end of our story. Again, what was the name of the kid? No. Do you know that there is a proper way for us in washing our hands? No. So your answer is no. But don't worry, guys. I want all of you to listen carefully and be engaged in our lesson because this afternoon we are going to learn about proper hand washing. Please repeat. Proper hand washing. Wait a second. Alright, so we are going to talk about proper hand washing. Inhale. No. Okay, class, observe. Observe how I'm doing.
Yes.
You need to wet your hands completely with the clean
Water.
Apply the phone. Cover all your hands. Alright, like this. Look. Yeah. Step 5. Rub between your fingers. Where's your fingers? Here. And then where is the finger? Go. Start from here. 1, 2, 3. At first, using the sabon, shock, apply. Apply the soap. Yes, sabunan niya yung ako. Step 3! Anne-Marie is doing the step 1 to 3, teacher. Yeah. Listen mo. Tara. Step 4. Step 4. Rub your fingers and rub your hands. Yes. Rub both hands back to back. Okay. Quiet. Step 7. Step 7. Very good. Everyone is done.
Ako mabili ko alam ngayon.
7 na. 60 kayo. Iya po eh. Congrats, Master. Congrats.
Hi guys, so we just finished our
Boom palaw.
our demonstration. So we thought that we deserve to have a swimming trip. But then four nakabuok among gatuan nga swimming pool, then kuan siya tanan this exclusive. Ang try na to, balikan na to. Pila ko ang atong oras kay orot pinagitag swimming pool. Excited na kayo maligo ang nihilak ganina guys. So the demonstration, we did well. Congratulations to everyone and I'm so grateful to my classmates. Gitabangan mi nilag hakot sa everything guys. 5 ka baldi, 3 ka planggana, 3 ka kabo, 1 ka galon. Tabangan mi sa mga classmates guys. Can you imagine that one? And then ilang mga gitabangan good sa everything. So I'm really thankful to them. Kaya I was having a panic attack na ganina as well as emotional breakdown kay i-chika rin ako later ang reason. Kami klase. Guys, it started raining. 5-4. We will have our class. Grabe.
Bangasan ako ang tang, uy.